This is how to build a website with Manus AI. From your dashboard, you can create a new task and write a prompt manually to build a website. There is also a pre-made prompt here, build website. So we will try this one. So just click build website. And here you can choose what website you would want to build. Let's say a landing page. Okay, we will choose newsletter sign up landing page. And here there is a complete prompt to make a newsletter sign up landing page. So just click send. You will just try light anyway. So now Manus AI has finished creating your website. So for this guide, we have created a landing page and you can start uploading this on your hosting. So this is how to build a website with Manus AI.